All right, so now we're going to just try to pick up a nice rising trot. It's going to be the same, okay? Exactly the same. He's going to try to go fast and he's going to try to look around. Just do lots of little transitions within the gait, okay? We'll just try to get him to where he... Good girl. When he stays there, you just stay not too much on the inside rein. Think about both reins. And good. Pet him on the inside. Let him relax there. But try to keep the rein in your hand when you do it. Slow him down just ever so. Okay, let him stretch. Good, good. Pet him for that. That was a good answer. Good. You want to get to the place where you actually let him put your leg on. You know what I'm saying? Because when they get running around and you feel like, oh, they're so hot, I don't want to touch them, that's not a good place to be. They teach you, they train us to not put your leg on, okay? Keep your hand just a little bit lower. And remember, if you feel him give a little on the inside, don't keep holding it so tight. There, you feel him drop into the hand a little better? So just be very, I mean, you have so many sensors in your hands you have to utilize. When you start to bring him back, you're going to bring him back a little bit with the outside rein. Super. Let him go on. Let him go. That's it. Pet him. Good. That's where, do you feel him almost take a breath when you give a release and pet him? That's exactly what you want to keep recreating so that he actually grows a lot of confidence through your ride. It's okay. Super. So keep this constant contact. So there's not a big loop in the rein, except when you go to release and give him a little pat. Then he has a little more extra room to stretch. Slow him down ever so slightly. When he answers, give your hand a little softer. Perfect. Perfect. So just keep working on this. Exactly. And then make sure when he does come there, your hand gives a little bit of a softer contact. Good girl. And then go out. Good. Good. And again, a little. Slow him with the outside a little too. Perfect. Now go on. That's a good boy. Very good. So don't make your inside rein the only rein that brings him back. Really teach him so he feels the outside rein as well. Good. Release the inside rein a little. There you go. I like to see when you can bring him back and you feel that he answered, that you give him a quick little pat on that inside rein. That's okay. That's okay. He's starting to really pay attention. That's an awesome sign. Again, a little outside, bring him back. Yep. So this is telling you you're not backing it up with any leg, okay? Not that you want to drive him forward, but you've got to make sure that you're not going to let him fall out from underneath you as well when you bring him back. Good, 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 good. That's right. See, he has to learn to accept that feeling, okay? Super. Again, a little bit through the outside. Make sure you're just perfect, perfect. Just be patient. Now pet him with the inside hand. Good girl. So don't overreact to what he does. You know what I mean? Stay very calm in your head. Just build a confidence through that ride. Good girl. That's right. Do a little bit more again. Super. Pet him a lot there. Good boy. And then keep a feel. I love it. Good job, hon. Really good job. Good girl. See, he's starting to understand. Just make sure you don't keep choking on the inside, okay? And I know you feel that because you feel him kind of drifting out, that you have to keep the inside rein. Absolutely, I get that, but try to teach your outside aids to keep him from bulging as much. So almost like you'd almost think about a little counterflexion, something perfect. Then add, release a little on the inside. Super. And again, a little touch on the outside. And now keep, yes. Super. That's lovely. Now let's bring him back to the walk again and think not just all inside. Good boy. Pet him there. Say, good job.